Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel School of Chemistry. Today we are going to study balancing of chemical reactions in acidic medium. That how to balance a chemical reaction in acidic medium. So for that we are taking an example that write the net ionic equation for the reaction of potassium dichromate. Its oxidation state is given, that is 6 K2Cr2O7 with sodium sulfate Na2SO3 in an acid solution to give chromium 3 ion and sulfate ion. So, in order to write down a balanced chemical equation, the first step which we need to follow is write down the skeletal equation. So, the skeletal equation for this reaction would be Cr2O7 2 negative plus SO3 2 negative gives you chromium 3 Cr3 plus sulfate ion, that is SO4 2 negative. Fine, this is a skeletal equation. Now the second step which we need to follow is we need to write down the oxidation state of each and every element over it. Okay, so I am writing down the equation again. After that I will be writing the oxidation state of each and every element. So let me remind you what is the oxidation state. It is the charge left on an atom when all other atoms attached to it have been removed. So for chromium, when we are going to figure out its oxidation state, in Cr2O7 2 negative, oxidation state of chromium is +6, oxygen is -2, sulfur is +4, oxygen is again -2, chromium is given 3 plus. In SO4 2 negative, sulfur is +6, oxygen is -2. In the next step, we need to identify which species is undergoing oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. Okay, so the third step which we need to follow is identify the species undergoing oxidation and reduction. So in this, sulfur sulfur is undergoing oxidation from +4 to +6, and chromium is undergoing reduction from +6 to +3. Okay, now we have two methods to further proceed with the reaction. That is, one is the oxidation number method and the next is the half equation method. So today I'll be teaching you the half equation method, that how will you adopt the half equation method in order to balance this equation. So in half equation method, first we'll write down the oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction. So oxidation half reaction is SO3 2 negative and it is undergoing oxidation to SO4 2 negative. So sulfur, oxidation of sulfur changes from +4 to +6. So in order to equal the charge on the sulfur atom, we will be writing 2 electrons plus 2 electrons on the right hand side. So the charge on sulfur atom on both the sides gets equal. Next thing is we need to balance the oxygen atom. Okay, so oxygen atom on the left hand side are 3 and on the right hand side is 4. So in order to balance the oxygen atom, we need to add water into it. So we will be adding one water molecules because only one oxygen is deficient on the left hand side. And in order to balance the hydrogen, we will be adding H plus ion. So 2 H plus ion can be added on the right hand side. So this becomes equation number 1. Next we can write down the reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. So reduction half reaction in this process would be Cr2O7 2 negative and this is reduced to Cr3 plus. Fine. So first we will be balancing chromium atom. So we'll be writing 2 in front of chromium so that the chromium atom on both the sides become equal. So now we have 2 chromium atom on both the sides. Now oxidation state of chromium is changing from +6 to +3. Over here we are having 2 chromium atoms. One is reduced by 3 electrons. So 2 chromium atoms are reduced by 6 electrons. So we'll be adding 6 electrons on the left hand side. Okay, now chromium atoms are equal, the charge on them are equal. Now we have to balance the oxygen atom, and in order to balance the oxygen atom we need to add water. So we'll be adding 7 water molecules, 7 H2O on the right hand side so the oxygen gets equal, and 14 H plus ions on the left hand side so that hydrogen can be balanced. This becomes equation number 2. Now in a redox reaction, the total electrons that are evolved in the oxidation half reaction must be equal to the electron consumed in the reduction half reaction. Okay, so in order to equate the number of electron in both the reaction, that is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction, we need to multiply equation 1 with 3. Okay, so our equation 1 becomes 3SO32 minus plus 3H2O gives us 3SO42 negative plus 6 electrons plus 6H plus ion. Now this is equation number 3. After that, number of electron in the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction gets equal. Now add equation 2 and 3. When we add equation 2 and 3, then the same species present on the left hand side and the right hand side get cancelled. Like 6 electrons get cancelled by 6 electrons. Okay, water molecules we have 3 on the left hand side, 7 on the right hand side, so we can write 4H2O. Okay, we are having 6H plus and this 14H plus, so it will be 8H plus ions. Okay, so now we are left over with Cr2O72 negative plus 3SO32 negative plus 8H plus gives us 2Cr3 plus 3SO42 negative plus 4H2O. Now check it out. This chromium on both the side 2 chromium atom. Okay, sulfur on both the side 3. Oxygen. So 7 plus 9. It would be 16 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 4 it's 16 on the right hand side. And hydrogen 8 on the left hand side and 4 to the 8 on the right hand side. Now this is our balanced chemical equation. Fine, this is how we are going to balance the chemical reaction in acidic material. Hope my videos are helping you in your studies, and for more some videos or more such videos, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel School of Chemistry. Thank you.